In this video, I want to show you guys how you can update RStudio and R. It's not quite the same as your standard software updating process. One, we're using RStudio, which is a GUI on top of R, which is running in the background. So really we have two programs to update, and the process is a little bit different for each. And once we've updated those, then we want to update any packages that we have installed for use in RStudio. The first thing we want to do in RStudio is go to the Help menu. Fourth option down is Check for Updates. We can see that there's an update available, so we can quit RStudio. Takes us to their website. We can download it. Once it's downloaded, we can just click Open, and we will get the installation process started. Go ahead and click Next here. None of this is really going to change from what you already have. If you had some options, you might want to go ahead and just look through that. We'll go ahead and speed this up a little bit so it runs faster for us. Once this is installed, we can go ahead and click Finish. And we will reopen RStudio. And we can check the Help menu again. Just check for updates. We should get a message saying we have the newest version. Great, RStudio is updated. We're already done. But let's check R. We can see we're on 4.3.1 there. We're going to use a program here called installr. If you don't have this installed, you will have to run through the install process to get this package installed. Otherwise, we library it, and then we can go ahead and use the installr function, and we want to add one option, which is the GUI equals true. That gives us this pop-up window here, and we can select the first option is R update. It tells us there's a new version. Okay, we don't want to see any news. We can click no. Yes, we want to install the latest version. We'll run through that, download pretty quickly, and then we will go ahead and go through the install process. You can read the message there if you want. Go ahead and click through next. Most of these will be the same. If you need to customize, change that to yes. Otherwise, click next. Still in the R folder. It's the same for me, so I click next. I don't want a desktop shortcut, especially for R. I'm working in RStudio only, so next. We'll go ahead and install those files. Let that run. Go ahead and finish that. And we'll copy over packages from the older version. I like to do this in case I need to go back to an older version of R. Then those are available. And I just click yes on these. And I copy over the profiles. And we'll update our packages in the newly installed R. That'll run in the background. Let's check our packages in RStudio. And those are all updated. And we can double check our installation of R. We can see we're still on 4.3.1. You can manually set it to 4.3.2 here, or the latest version, whichever that is, or you check the top option, which is the default version. Click OK. We need to quit and reopen. So we'll click OK, then we'll quit this session, and then we'll reopen RStudio. And let's check. Yep, 4.3.2 is the current version of R running. So let's just check the rest of our updates. We'll check the packages update again. All packages are up to date. Great. And we'll check the update on RStudio one last time. Looks like that is it. Everything has been updated. We're now ready to use the latest version of R and RStudio and all of our packages. If you have questions, feel free to post those in the comments below. If this video helped you in any way, please consider subscribing and liking, and hopefully I will catch you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.